Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look of the Tamron 28-75mm F2.8 DI III VXD G2. This is a lens for the Sony E-Mount and it's a full frame zoom lens which zooms between 28mm and 75mm. Now this is purely an unboxing and first look. I wanted to just give you a look and first impressions at what you get inside the box. If you want to see this lens in action, then please do subscribe to the channel. I publish a new tech video pretty much every single day and I will be publishing a video showing this lens in action so you can see how it performs. I also want to let you know that I purchased this from Clifton Cameras. They are a great company, really quick to get the product that you purchase out to you. Great customer service, great packing. I've never had an issue with them at all, so I highly recommend you check out Clifton Cameras. There's a link to their website down in the video description. So let's get on with the unboxing. Let's very quickly just take a look at the back of the box. Here it gives the actual model number, which is the A063. The mount, of course, for Sony E-Mount. The filter size, 67mm, for if you want to add a filter to the lens. There's also a lens hood included, which is the HO063. And also the minimum focusing distance. At the wide end, you can get something as close as 0.18 meters, which is 18 centimeters from the front element of the lens. And when you're zoomed in at the telephoto end of the lens, as close as 38 centimeters. That's really useful. So let's turn this back over and take a look inside. Oh, first thing I noticed here is when you register the lens, you get a 5-year warranty. That's really impressive, absolutely superb. So don't forget to register your lens with Tamron. Now inside the box on this top section, we've got some instructions in various languages. We've got some warranty information. There is also a sticker in here as well, which has got the serial number of your lens on it. We've got this really nice lens hood included as well, the HA063, really nice quality, nice that they include that. And then of course we've got the lens itself. So here we go, let's take a closer look at the lens. You can see here it is the 28-75mm. The G2 means it's the generation 2, so version 2 of this particular focal length lens. It is for the Sony E-Mount system and this is a full frame lens, so it will work on full frame cameras, but of course you can put it on a crop sensor Sony E-Mount camera as well. We've got the back lens cover on the bottom end here. We've got the zoom ring just here and it's a really smooth zoom ring. You'll see that the lens does protrude a little bit at that 75mm end, and then we can zoom out to the 28mm end. It is very, very smooth, nice grip, nice weighting to that zoom, very, very good indeed. We've also got a button on the side just here, and we have also got a USB-C port. The USB-C port is used for if you want to do a firmware update to the lens. And then of course we have got the front cap just here, which reveals the optics on the front, 67mm thread on the front for if you want to put a filter on there. Very, very nice piece of glass on the front. Really a high quality lens this. Very comparable to the main brand manufacturer, which is of course Sony. This will be very comparable optics from the test that I've seen. And then we've got the focus ring at the back end of the lens. Now normally I think it's switched around. Normally you have the focus on this front, but on the Tamron lens it's at the back. It's quite light but nicely weighted as well. Very, very smooth, no resistance. Really good for if you're using this in manual focus. There's no MF or AF switch on the actual lens, so that is controlled via the switch on your camera body. It's a nice weight of lens, very, very nicely made. I like the coating on this as well. It's slightly different to the previous version, I think, a little bit glossier perhaps. It's just a really beautiful piece of kit. I can't wait to test it out. So if you want to actually see this in action, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, please do subscribe. And if you want to purchase one of these for yourself, then please do check out the links down in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.